Hello, welcome to this week's CEO blog. We're going to take a few minutes to give some recognition for our volunteers who are such an integral part of the experience and the work here at Pullman Regional Hospital. The week of April 13th is National Hospital Volunteer Week. Pullman Regional Hospital enjoys 220 volunteers, community volunteers. Nearly 17,000 hours last year donated by this group of dedicated people, with a dollar value of almost $300,000 in what they do to support Pullman Regional Hospital and help make the staff and patient experience so wonderful. One of those groups, where you can see that we're standing here in our gift garden, is our hospital auxiliary. Allison Wigley is staff liaison with the auxiliary, and we want to just get a little more information about the auxiliary and the work they do. So Allison, tell us, how big of an auxiliary group do we have?
Well, in 2014, there were 188 auxilians. The auxiliary has been in existence here at the hospital since 1968.
Okay.
And in those years, they have contributed over $500,000 back to this hospital through fundraisers and also through membership dues.
Wonderful. What are some of the projects they do each year?
Well, each year, departments can submit requests for funding. They have funded everything from the cute little knitted baby hats to stuffed animals in the emergency department to a $4,000 simulator that nurses use to practice birthing simulations, through Summit Therapy chair covers, and this year, training for the social work department.
Wonderful. And they raise those funds through sales here in the gift garden as well as some special events.
That's right. They have fundraisers like Have a Heart, where you can have a Valentine delivered to your Valentine, and also through the Christmas tree raffle.
Wonderful. So the Pullman Regional Hospital Auxiliary, a significant integral part of our volunteer capabilities and activities here. Great staff liaison and support from Allison, and we're grateful for their work and dedication to the efforts here at Pullman Regional Hospital. Well, we wanted to also talk about our community volunteers, and especially those that work at the front desk area in close association with our registration staff. We've got Eric Olson, our Director of Registration, and Janice Organ, one of our very capable registration staff. Janice and Eric, how do you see that the volunteers really play a role in supporting patients and helping physicians, helping the staff in the work that goes on here at the hospital?
Yeah, Scott, volunteers are a key component of what we do in registration, and the staff and the physicians and the patients. The volunteers help us extensively with our work. They kind of filter our patients for us, and so we work closely with the volunteers to let us know when a patient has arrived, and they have questions. They're kind of the buffer for the whole front of the hospital, and then when they have questions, they'll handle a lot of those things, and they'll come and talk to us, and we'll work closely with them. And then oftentimes they'll take patients up to physician offices when a patient might get lost. They don't know exactly where to go, and the volunteer will figure out where they need to go and take them up to Palouse Medical or Palouse surgeons, and so they just do a tremendous job for us in our role in the hospital. So.
Janice?
You know, they are the front smile, and really it's nice to come into the hospital for a patient and family and have that smile and that welcome, and for patients and patients' families, where to go onto the floor, and just helpful, and a lot of people need that help figuring out what they need to do and where they need to go.
Yeah. A lot of times they're longtime members in the community, so they know people too as they come in, so that's always helpful.
Definitely.
Yeah. As we wrap up our this week's CEO blog with a focus on volunteers, we're standing here in our chaplain and want to give a special recognition for our volunteer chaplains who do a great service here at the hospital for families and patients. So there you have it, National Hospital Volunteer Week, April 13th. And thank you for tuning into this blog, and I hope you choose to have a great day.